Hello all, welcome back. Well, the Google Pixel 7 series and the Pixel Watch are expected to launch in October, most likely on 6th of October in a Google event. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are scheduled to go on sale on October 13th according to a trustworthy leaker, John Prosser, and pre-orders may start on October 6th, the same day as the Made by Google event. These dates may also apply to Google Pixel Watch since it will be released at the same time as the Pixel 7 lineup. Before we get to what's what, let me show you some of the photos of Google CEO Sundar Pichai wearing the Pixel Watch at Vox Media's 2022 Code Conference. You have already seen the watch, no doubt in that, but when you see a CEO giving a quick look at the upcoming device, it hits differently. And it's hardly the first time a CEO has shown up to an occasion with an unreleased product. Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, took part in a recorded Q&A session at Oxford University in 2017. He was seated on a couch when an iPhone slipped out of his pocket. The iPhone was the then unreleased iPhone X or iPhone X because of its vertically mounted rear camera array. Now speaking about the design and specs of the watch, a report in the month of May mentioned Google will share the same wearable manufacturer as Apple uses for its Apple Watch, the Compal Electronics of Taiwan. In terms of design, the Pixel Watch already sports a crown which looks very similar to the Apple Watch, but the rest is very different, like the circular dome design, distinct color options, and rather clean and minimalistic look. It will offer a clean UI, smart notifications, navigation support, and a range of health features. The wearable may house a 10nm Exynos 9110 chip, which made its first appearance on the original Samsung Galaxy Watch in 2018. Or it could be Samsung Wear 5100 CPUs that would allow for better battery life and more efficient performance, which Google would certainly want in its flagship wearable. But there are no concrete evidence regarding which one Google will go forward with. It could be aided by 1.5 GB of RAM plus 32 GB of storage. It's also reported that Google has filed for a USB-C charger for the Pixel Watch. The Pixel Watch will reportedly include a heart rate sensor that supports SpO2 and ECG reading, matching the health sensors found on the Fitbit Lux and Charge 5. We don't know much about the sensors at play here, but Google says this is going to be a great wearable for fitness tracking. Finally, coming to Wear OS, for a better experience, the Pixel Watch is integrated with Google services including Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Wallet. Google has also made the Pixel Watch as a remote for compatible smart home devices using the Home app for Wear OS. This lets you adjust your thermostat or turn on or turn off lights directly from your wrist. In short, it's a Pixel ecosystem. According to rumors, the Google Pixel Watch will cost $399, at least for the LTE version. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth might be more affordable. Well, that's it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to know more, then definitely subscribe. Peace out.